Hello everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, we will be making a stretch bracelet using Stretch Magic in 0.8 millimeter. I will be using this pastel strand of 6 millimeter quench crackle quartz beads and some metal spacers. So when I do my stretch bracelets, I like to work on the spool just in case, the spool kind of drops, you're not going to lose your beads. You have it as like a little stopper point. So we're going to open up our strands of beads, and then we're just going to string them onto the Stretch Magic. And Stretch Magic comes in a lot of different millimeter sizes and strength. So the lower the number, the more flimsy it is, like the 0.5. It just depends on the size of beads you're using. If they're heavy, then you want to use a stronger millimeter, like a 1.8. But you also want to make sure that it will fit through your beads. I'm going to use these little metal spacer beads here just to add as a little accent into the project. Really like these colors. They're just kind of bright and vibrant, but they also remind me of like a pastel Christmas color combo. Just like the lights, how they kind of look at the crackle to them. And then we're going to put that one there. Slide on another silver bead. And the silver really just adds that pop of color and contrast to it. Almost looks like they're embossed or they have like a engraving to the silver beads. So when the light hits them, it really adds the sparkle. Just keep stringing these on. Almost done. And we're going to add our last bead of the silver. And that's our bracelet. I'm going to make these as stacker bracelets to match this other one here. So it's a little bit different. That one has flowers on the original one. And then I'm just going to change it up with these silver beads. Sometimes you get your little string wrapped around the bead when you cut it off the strand. At least when that happens, you know that the bead does have a hole on it, so you're able to restring it into your project. I'm just going to keep sliding those on. Sometimes with the crackle beads, it's hard to see where the hole is. So we have our bracelet. Move the other one out of the way here. It's a nice size. And we're just going to cut off a good length of cord of the Stretch Magic. Now, a lot of people will use glue, like a drop of E6000 or GS Hypo Cement. My little trick is using a large hole bead to hide the knot. So we're just going to slide on that large hole bead onto one side of the wires or the string. Grab them together. Make a knot however you would like to. There's so many different ways. I like to just give it a good pull. I feel like it just kind of hides in there. And I just keep making knots because it's going to be hidden into that silver bead. So keep knotting. And when you have enough, you're going to grab your two ends and just slide it through that silver bead. And you'll have your knot hiding in between the bead. You're just going to go and trim off the tail. And you have a stretch bracelet. And it just looks like a focal bead or just part of the bracelet with the embellishments. And this is the first one where I hid the knot. And that just looks like another focal. So you have two beautiful stretch bracelets. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for further content. Have a wonderful day.